Good night. My name is Juliana Jimenez. Visiting the farm of my daddy. In my last vacation, I was visiting my parents. They live in a farm where it is very cold, and for that reason, it is necessary to go where sheltered. Stay 2. The water in the farm of my daddy. The water in the farm of my daddy is very cool because it is in the mountain. Tips. Tip number 1. There you can fish. Tip number 2. There you can take a walk on the ecological path. Tip number 3. That you can use a tire to swim in the river. It is firm. Tip number 4. It is recommended that you wear warm clothes. Tip number 5. It is necessary that you use comfortable shoes. Tip number 6. That you can swim in the river. Tip number 7. That you can eat the typical dish fried trout. You're going to love it. Tip number 8. That you can ride horse. Thank you.